Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Huawei MatePad Papermate edition. So you have to start with opening your app gallery, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search, and now click install. Then click I agree, and here click skip introduction. Now you can click not now. Here you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge browser is installed and is ready to use. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.